Welcome to our guide on the 7 best truck mods to upgrade your ride. If you're looking to enhance your truck's performance, style and functionality, you have come to the right place. Today we'll explore a range of top-rated truck mods designed to take your vehicle to the next level. Whether you are interested in lighting upgrades, performance enhancements or aesthetic improvements, each product on our list promises to elevate your driving experience. Let's dive into our top picks and discover how these mods can transform your truck into a powerhouse on and off the road. Starting our list is the Nlight RGB LED rock lights kit, renowned for its versatility and vibrant lighting effects. This kit is designed to illuminate the underside of your truck with multicolor LED lights that can be customized to match your preference. It features durable construction with waterproof housing, making it suitable for off-road adventures and harsh weather conditions. The Nlight rock lights are easy to install and come with a wireless remote control for convenient operation. They enhance visibility around your truck while adding a stylish flair, making them a popular choice among truck enthusiasts. The lights are energy efficient and offer long-lasting performance, ensuring they remain functional for years. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts and nighttime drivers, the Nlight RGB LED rock lights kit enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your truck. Whether you are crawling through rugged terrain or cruising on city streets, these lights provide a striking visual impact while improving visibility in low-light conditions. Next on our list is the ARRMA RC Truck Bash Resto-Mod, designed for serious off-road performance and durability. This mod transforms your truck into a rugged machine capable of handling extreme terrain and challenging conditions. It features upgraded suspension components, reinforced chassis, and high-performance tires that enhance traction and stability. ARRMA's Resto-Mod is engineered for superior durability with robust materials that withstand impacts and rough terrains. It offers adjustable settings to customize your truck's handling and performance, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts who demand reliability and performance. Crafted for truck owners who enjoy off-road adventures, the ARRMA RC Truck Bash Resto-Mod delivers exceptional performance and durability. Its advanced design enhances your truck's capabilities, allowing you to tackle any obstacle with confidence. Ideal for enhancing your off-road experience, the ARRMA Resto-Mod ensures your truck performs at its best in challenging environments. It's easy to install and provides immediate improvements in handling and durability, making it a favorite among serious off-road enthusiasts. Moving forward at number 3, we have the M&O Momo VR30B32B Renewal wheel mode, known for its sleek design and performance-oriented construction. These wheels are crafted from lightweight materials that enhance your truck's agility and handling. They feature a distinctive design that adds a sporty and modern look to your vehicle. M&O's wheel mode is engineered for precision and durability, making it suitable for both on-road and off-road driving. It offers enhanced braking performance and cornering stability, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Ideal for truck enthusiasts who appreciate style and performance, the M&O Momo VR30B32B Renewal wheel mode combines aesthetics with functionality. Its low-profile design improves aerodynamics while reducing fuel consumption, making it a practical choice for daily driving and weekend adventures. Crafted to elevate your truck's appearance and performance, the M&O wheel mod enhances both style and functionality. It's compatible with various truck models and offers a custom fit for seamless integration. Next at number 4, we have the iJDMTOY 5 pieces white LED cab rooftop designed to enhance visibility and style on your truck. This mod features bright LED lights that illuminate your truck's cab roof, providing enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. It offers a modern and sleek appearance that complements various truck models. iJDMTOY's cab rooftop is easy to install with adhesive backing for a secure fit. It enhances safety and visibility while adding a stylish touch to your truck's exterior. The LED lights are energy efficient and long-lasting, ensuring reliable performance over time. Ideal for truck owners who prioritize safety and aesthetics, the iJDMTOY LED cab rooftop mod enhances both functionality and style. Its durable construction withstands outdoor elements and ensures lasting performance in various weather conditions. Crafted for drivers who frequent nighttime driving or want to enhance their truck's appearance, the iJDMTOY LED cab rooftop mod offers practicality and style in one package. It's a straightforward upgrade that makes a significant impact on your truck's overall look and functionality. Counting our lineup at number 5 is the Nlight ZH003 Spot Flood Combo LED light bar 4 pieces, renowned for its powerful illumination and rugged design. The light bar features a combination of spot and flood beams that provide broad visibility and focused lighting for off-road adventures. Nlight LED light bar is crafted from high-quality materials that ensure stability and resistance to water and dust. It offers adjustable mounting brackets for flexible installation on various truck models, enhancing versatility and convenience. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts and truck owners who require reliable lighting solutions. The Nlight LED light bar enhances visibility and safety during nighttime driving. It's engineered for optimal performance in challenging environments, making it a favorite among adventure seekers. Crafted to withstand harsh conditions and deliver superior performance, the Nlight LED light bar is an essential mod for trucks used in off-road environments. Its powerful beams illuminate the darkest trails, ensuring you can navigate with confidence. Next on our list is the Xenon white LED license plate light, designed to upgrade your truck's rear lighting with a modern and efficient solution. This mod features bright LED lights that enhance visibility of your license plate, ensuring compliance with legal requirements while adding a stylish touch. The Xenon LED license plate light is easy to install with direct replacement for factory lights. It provides a crisp white light that improves the nighttime visibility and enhances your truck's rear appearance. The LEDs are energy efficient and durable, offering long-lasting performance without needing frequent replacement. Ideal for truck owners who want to upgrade their vehicle's lighting with a simple yet effective mod, the Xenon white LED license plate light offers practicality and style. Its sleek design complements various truck models while ensuring reliable functionality. Crafted to meet strict quality standards, the Xenon LED license plate light is a cost-effective upgrade that enhances the safety and aesthetics. It's a straightforward mod that makes a significant impact on your truck's rear lighting setup. Lastly, we have the Westin Outlaw or Pro Mod Bumper Light Kit, designed for work performance and enhanced visibility. This mod features integrated LED lights that mount directly onto your truck's bumper, providing additional illumination and style. Westin's Bumper Light Kit is crafted from durable materials that withstand impacts and weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. It offers a seamless integration with the truck's front end, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts and truck owners who prioritize style and performance, the Westin Bumper Light Kit delivers superior visibility and adds a custom look to your vehicle. It's easy to install with included mounting hardware and provides immediate improvements in lighting. Crafted to enhance your truck's appearance and performance, the Westin Bumper Light Kit ensures reliable operation in various driving conditions. Its powerful LEDs illuminate the road ahead, making nighttime driving safer and more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us in exploring our guide on the 7 best truck mods to upgrade your ride. Each of these mods offers unique benefits and enhancements tailored to elevate your truck's performance, style and functionality. Whether you're looking to improve lighting, enhance off-road capabilities or add a custom touch, there's a mod on our list to suit your needs. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more informative content like this. Happy modding and may your truck adventures be filled with excitement and style.